YouTube, we are now building 90% of the PC because, well, we're installing 90% of the PC because the CPU is really easy to install. Now, all these parts here, including the case, all these parts were inspired by a video called $650 PC, and it was uploaded by Tech by Matt. He's the reason why I have all these parts. All good. Now, you, the cameraman, not you, not the viewer. He's gonna be my assistant because sometimes I need help. What are you doing? Sometimes I need help building the PC. So we're gonna start right now. So hold on. Let's pull up the YouTube video in case we need help. Just keep recording. I'll cut the footage out. I told you, you can't be making all that noise, please. Stop.
No noises, Cat. No noises.
We're recording a video.
Abdul, if you want to make noise, go upstairs. If you want to make noise, go upstairs. If you don't want to make noise, be quiet. Okay? Make noise upstairs. No. Sissy not sleeping. Sissy up. Okay.
This is all falling apart already. Okay.
Abdul, stop.
Abdul, please.
Stop.
Please. Okay? Please.
Stop.
Okay. You do that. Can you...
Okay,
you can play in the garage or something? Like...
Abdul, stop. Alright, I'm gonna go see Mama right now. No. Okay, relax. That's why I told you go upstairs. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, this is the video. He has the EVGA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. That is a 1660 Super. I think.
Abdul, stop getting mad. God dang. Okay, continue.
Take two. Now, this is a PC we're going to be building today, but without the fans. He has the graphics card is the EVGA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. That's a mouthful. The motherboard is a different motherboard, but it's that motherboard right there. But it's just different. Its name is different. Okay, can you stop now? Like, you're doing too much.
I'm not doing too much.
Yes,
no.
you are.
No! I say no to my no.
Abdul.
I say no.
Abdul. I got a question for you. You want to play in the kitchen? Yeah. Alright, bet. Here's your box.
We'll play in the kitchen. Alright.
Okay.
I think it's broken.
Alright, have fun.
I broke over here.
Alright, have fun.
Alright.
Okay, now, for the graphics card, he has the EVGA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. God dang. For the Ryzen processor, he has the he has a Ryzen processor. For the power supply, it's this power supply right here. This, oh my god. This thing right here. The case is the Thermaltake Versa H18. What did I tell you? Alright, you know what? Keep him in the video. It's gonna be funny.
Alright.
Now we're going to start building. Wait, let me turn this off for a little bit. We're going to start building the PC. Now, what you want to do is take. What the frick are you doing? Stop. Abdul, stop. You can't put anything in there. That's for the graphics. Okay, bye. Okay, now. Okay. Oh my god, these are tight. God dang. Alright, bro. Can you do that? Can you do that? That is tight.
Dang, it's really tight. Ah! Oh god. Hold on.
This stuff is really tight. Remember, it's only a thumb screw.
Oh my god. Hold on. Which way is it? Is it left or right?
I think it's going to the right. You need to unscrew it from the right. Like this way. Wait, is it working?
It's working a little bit.
You took out the
It's not.
You took out the IO shield. That is the fourth time the IO shield fell.
Okay.
Come on, bro.
Hold on.
This.
Still not making sense.
Oh my god, this is really tight. Whew.
This may take a lot of attempts, but it's okay.
Yeah. Is it working?
Yes. This time it's working. Oh my gosh! It's up stuck.
Okay, how about you try doing the left side?
Okay.
Or you try doing left?
Alright. I see the bottom. The bottom stuck too. God dang. Okay. What else? What else is there? What else is there?
Abdul, what are you mad about?
Technical difficulties. As you can see, it's too dang tight. We don't know what happened, but yeah, this may take a while.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I knew it was in this bag. All right.
Do we have to unscrew this?
What?
Do we really have to unscrew this, or can we keep it?
Just this side. That's it. And also, we need to take out this piece right here.
Okay, so
Which we could probably start. Okay, so.
maybe unscrew it, because there's like a little screw thing that you have right here in the middle, like right here.
Yeah. This is freaking tight, dog. Hold on.
Abdul, stop, bro. You're doing too much.